this song right here remind me of my ex. I be declining all her calls and I'm responding to her texts. I be like, girl, hush your mouth, you know I ain't got time for nothing but sex.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy J-Bo.
Your boy Dirty-Bo.
And so we back with another video. It's our boy Jeremiah's birthday. His 16th birthday. Yeah. So stay tuned on gang. Alright, y'all, so we got round one.
Come here. What's up, y'all? We just arrived here. We got off the bus. Some clips finna come on of us on that bitch. And yeah, we at round one.
So a lot of turn shit, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned.
I'm hella mad, but they didn't slap none of our songs.
They didn't play none of our songs, you know what I'm saying? But it's cool though. When we come back, it's gonna be lit, you know what I'm saying?
But look at this already.
I'm just being straight up. Why you put the K up? $20,000 my fucking
What's up? Gonna get some hometown buffet. And yeah, my boy. How it taste, nigga? Damn, that bump on your nose hella big. What's up, Lord? Ooh, have to eat healthy. This nigga Jabari. Jabari put salt and pepper inside his slushy. He hella nasty on the hood. I'm not cutting that out. Look at this. It has sprinkles. Look at all these hungry ass apples. Do it for the vlog, man. Do it for the vlog, alright, I got you. Show him how you eat that pussy. Oh yeah, he don't eat it right. Oh fuck. Y'all, we playing this crazy game. One was like this nigga hand on. Aw, bitch, they gon' come. Shit. I feel like they gon' oh, fuck. Oh, that nigga just ate. I killed that nigga. Oh! Bro, we letting all the niggas die. Oh, that's my fair one thing. Hey, nigga, get off the stairs. Oh, shit. So this nigga Jabari over here shooting. How ugly this nigga is. Bitch. Yo boy, I'm playing this. This nigga Jabari right there, you know that? My nigga right there. I'm on this hoe. So let's go. Oh yeah. Oh fuck.
Alright, y'all. So we turned up right now, and we chilling. Me and the bros. Wop, wop, wop.
You said what?
Alright, go ahead, y'all.
Nigga, I'm stupid. Ready, bitch? Oh, hold on, tomorrow you gotta do this. You got him, nigga. Alright, we're gonna play some food now, I am.
Oh, red and blue too?
Alright, I'm gonna be blue.
Swipe once.
Oh shit, wrong way. Oh yeah, I'm blue, boy.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I'm ready, I'm hella big. Oh yeah, give me all that food, I'm hungry.
Oh my god. Jordan, you killed me, bitch.
Oh, I did. Oh, I just killed everyone. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry for them food. I'm hungry. Win this for me. Win this for me, my nigga. This nigga already fucked up. This game rigged. Sock it. You know what I'm saying?
I can get that, okay? I can get that.
Oh, we trying to win this bitch.
Oh, God.
Wrong way, motherfucker. Bro, it rigged me, bro. I had this. Get that big ass motherfucker.
I got it. I got it. Swear to God! Swear to God! Swear to God! Swear to God! Panda!
Fuck. Oh, yeah, we need a panda, because, you know, niggas.
Do it, go.
Two of them bitches. Swipe me too, baby. We finna get this panda. Bro, I better get this panda, bro. Oh, I'm finna sock this shit if I don't get this panda.
Oh, God.
Pick up. Pick up. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Swipe.
Come on down
Oh, yeah.
to Carney Town.
Hey, anything you need?
Way too hard, musclehead.
Fuck you mean way too hard, nigga?
What do we need?
Get your tickets and go now.
25 tickets. Shit was ass.
1 second.
Get on your knees, motherfucker.
Fuck,
Fuck, nigga. Fuck. Nigga.
Can anybody hear me? This is Lara. I found shelter on the coast. If you hear this, try and get to me. Be careful, we are not alone.
Ooh, Dick's pretty good. We in here. They got all the rifles and shit. We're back on the bus.
Bro, watch out, bro. If I stick you, bro, watch out.
So, our vlog was kind of boring, but we tried.
Hey up, I'm just being straight up. Why you put the K up? 20,000
Ah,
got
my fucking ass.
Turn it off.
Alright, y'all, well, Jabari left, and today was a good day, and this is the end of the video. It was kind of crazy, but
You know I injured my right hand, so when I get behind, I use my left. She watched that Walker Texas Ranger, say I remind her of Nas X. I'm talking New Town Road.